MOTROLIX.
One of the more unique features of the GMC Sierra and now the Chevy Silverado is the multi-position tailgate that you see right here. For the Sierra, it is branded as MultiPro, and for the Silverado, it is currently branded as MultiFlex. But the tailgate is actually the same, and what I'd like to do is show you how it works in person and really give you a tour of its operation as a whole. So, as you can see here, the tailgate is, well, it looks like any other tailgate, but if you look closely, what you'll see is that there is this portion of the tailgate. You can kind of see it by the cutout here. And then there is the regular tailgate over here. It is controlled by these two buttons right here within the tailgate control panel. There's the upper button and then the lower button. So let's just press the lower button. And as you can see, that releases the primary tailgate, just like you would on any other pickup truck. So far, so good. What I can do from here is simply press this detent here, press this button, and extend this piece right here. And that allows me, obviously, to load up longer items in the bed and not have to come up with creative solutions about how to carry them, how to tie them down. I simply release this, and now I have extended the bed by just about 2 feet. I can drop this down, and then I'll close it up. Now I'm going to press the top button, and that obviously releases the top portion of the tailgate. I'm going to do that right here. So having done that, I now have a work surface right here. I can essentially do all kinds of work on here. I can put a computer on here. If I need to, I can do other kinds of work as it relates to drawing. One of the use cases that I recently used this for is cooking. We were at a cookout, did some barbecue, cut up some meat on this. That was pretty cool as well. From here, I can also open this load stop on the secondary tailgate. So now I have the ability to carry longer items with the tailgate in this position, which many of you can probably understand the use case here. Allows you to carry longer items that won't fall out of the tailgate, or if you're concerned about them falling out, you have things on the bottom. You especially have the tailgate still up, but you have this tailgate still helping you out carry longer items. So I'm going to drop this down, close this up, and now I'm going to release the primary tailgate, and then I'm going to press the top button to release the secondary. And so it drops down like so. This allows me easier access to the bed. Just when I'm loading things, when I'm unloading things, I can get that much closer to the bed without having to really do one of these maneuvers. So just easier and put things in and out of the bed. From here though, what I can do is I can release this portion, drop it down. I now have a full width step. This can be coupled with this handle right here. I simply extend it like so, and now simply grabbing onto this, I can have easy access into the bed without having to jump through any kind of hoops. And then from here as well, what you can see is that there is an optional kicker speaker. Here is a 100-watt speaker that can be operated via Bluetooth. It can be operated via USB, a wired USB connection, or via aux, a 3.5mm aux cable, and it does deliver some pretty good sound. And it actually is driven independently from the infotainment system in the truck. So those are the major positions, the 6 positions really, of the MultiPro and MultiFlex tailgate. Overall, I have to say that the MultiPro or MultiFlex tailgate, it's quite an ingenious solution to really an item that hasn't really changed much over the past several decades. So I'm really happy that this exists, and a job well done to the folks at GM, including Chevy and obviously GMC, for bringing this to market.
MOTROLIX.